My name is Dr. Kimberly Head, and I'm the Director of Continuing Education and Health Science at Collin College.
My name is Sarah Densmore, and I work for Collin College, and I'm an Executive Assistant in the President's Suite.
My name is Heather Webb-Walsh, and I'm the manager of the Web Systems area.
My name is Stephen Rogers, and I'm the Assistant Director of Student Engagement here at Collin College.
Collin College is a community college in North Texas. We serve 2 counties and have 7 facilities.
All first-time in college students come through our new student orientation, and so we see about at least 7,000 through that. But from a student engagement perspective, we cover all of the students when it comes to mentor program, leadership programs, and student organizations.
To be accredited every 10 years, we have to go up for reaccreditation. And one of the things we have to have is a quality enhancement plan. And our quality enhancement plan involves advising. And in order to create that plan, we had to build a database.
We were using a lot of paper forms, and so we had a lot of outdated forms that students would find, that other staff members would find. They wouldn't get submitted to the right department, they wouldn't get submitted on time, they were getting lost, that sort of thing.
And so whenever somebody would submit that application, it would actually get emailed to me. I'd have to take that email and then actually have to put it into an Excel document.
All the forms were required to be built by IT. So anything that required information to be entered through a web page, Web Services built them individually and then rolled them out to each department.
And so it was how do we get this information so that some people can see it, some people can't, and they get access to everything they need in a clean way that won't overwhelm them.
Caspio is a way, first and foremost, for me to create online submittable forms. It is streamlining processes for us and giving us the ability to do away with paper forms.
My favorite things about Caspio are that it saves me a lot of time, saves me a lot of stress, and it helps me get the information that I need very quickly.
I can create an incredibly complicated system that no one else ever sees, and all they see is this clean form or this clean database that they can download, and it's embedded into a website, and it's just a beautiful view that's easy to use.
Caspio has empowered me because I feel like I can do a lot of this work on my own without having to bother or rely on our IT department for some of these things that I knew could be really simple. Creating an online submittable form. I knew it was simple, I just didn't quite have the tools that I needed, and Caspio has given that to me.
Caspio can really bring you a product that can help you be more technologically sound, can move you in a direction that you're wanting to go, and increase productivity.
I would definitely recommend Caspio. Anything from beginning use to expert use. It's a tool with lots of information. You can use it for small things and for large things. And the training and the videos and the education that Caspio provides is better than any that I've seen. So moving forward, we'll continue to use Caspio to continue to grow it and look for other opportunities to use it in the future.